Valentine's Day offers the perfect opportunity to turn your home into a haven of warmth and romance. It's not just about celebrating love with grand gestures, but about creating an inviting atmosphere that nurtures connection, joy, and intimacy. With thoughtful and creative decor, your home can embody the essence of Valentine's Day, making it a place where cherished memories come to life. Every corner of your home holds potential for transformation. Whether it's the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, or even the outdoor spaces, each area can tell its own story of love and celebration. From soft lighting and cozy textures to whimsical DIY projects and personal touches, your decor can set the stage for meaningful moments. It's not just about the visual appeal, it's about the feeling your decor evokes. The right ambience can create a sense of warmth and comfort that brings everyone closer together. Let's explore how you can infuse your home with the spirit of love, using creative Valentine's Day decor ideas to make your space truly magical. Your living room is the heart of your home, and Valentine's Day is the perfect excuse to give it a romantic makeover. Start by setting a soft and inviting tone with textiles. Swap out your usual throw pillows for ones in shades of blush, burgundy, or cream, and layer them on your couch alongside a plush blanket for an extra cozy vibe. Add a touch of sparkle with sequin or velvet accent pillows for a luxurious feel. The coffee table is an excellent focal point for your living room decor. A centerpiece of fresh roses or a heart-shaped floral arrangement surrounded by flickering candles can instantly elevate the space. Mix in small decorative accents like ceramic hearts, crystal vases, or even a stack of love-themed books for added charm. Don't forget the walls. A gallery of framed love quotes, heart-shaped wreaths, or garlands crafted from paper or fabric hearts can make your living room feel festive without being overwhelming. For a whimsical touch, drape string lights across a mantelpiece or window, creating a soft, ambient glow. If you want to add a personal touch, consider a photo display showcasing cherished memories. Use heart-shaped photo clips or frames to highlight moments that make your love story unique. Pair these elements with soft music in the background, and you'll have a living room that feels like a cozy sanctuary of love. If these Valentine's Day home decor ideas warmed your heart and inspired your space, give this video a like and share it with someone who loves celebrating love as much as you do. The kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's where the heart of your home truly comes alive. For Valentine's Day, transform it into a space filled with love and warmth. Start with your dining table. Dress it up with a romantic tablecloth in hues of red or pink, complemented by elegant placemats and matching napkins. A bouquet of fresh flowers in a decorative vase can serve as a stunning centerpiece, surrounded by tea light candles in glittering holders. To bring the theme to your countertops, fill glass jars with heart-shaped candies, marshmallows, or homemade treats. These edible decorations are not only festive but also functional, adding a playful and welcoming touch to the space. Valentine-themed kitchen towels, aprons, and oven mitts are small details that can tie everything together. If you have a breakfast nook, consider giving it a mini makeover. Add decorative throw pillows, a simple floral arrangement, and a small garland hung along the backrest of a bench or chair. Even everyday items like heart-shaped cookie cutters or a bowl of red apples can subtly reinforce the theme. These touches will make your kitchen feel festive and ready for love-filled moments. How are you decorating your home for Valentine's Day? Share your ideas in the comments, I'd love to hear about your romantic or playful touches this season. Your bedroom is the most personal space in your home, making it the perfect place for romantic Valentine's Day decor. Begin by updating your bedding with soft, luxurious fabrics in romantic tones like blush, deep red, or ivory. Add a few throw pillows with heart motifs or velvet covers to complete the look. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood. Replace harsh overhead lights with warm-toned bedside lamps or place LED candles around the room for a soft, flickering glow. For a dramatic touch, hang fairy lights over your bed or create a canopy effect with lightweight drapes. Enhance the ambience with subtle yet meaningful details. A tray on your nightstand featuring a scented candle, a small vase of fresh flowers, and a handwritten love note can add a deeply personal touch. Hang a few love-themed art pieces or photo frames on the walls to create a gallery that reflects your story. For an extra layer of intimacy, consider adding a soft rug or faux fur throw at the foot of your bed. These textures not only look inviting but also add to the cozy and romantic vibe. Your bedroom can become a sanctuary that exudes warmth, love, and elegance. For more seasonal and holiday decor ideas, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. There's plenty of inspiration to keep your home beautiful all year long. Don't overlook your outdoor spaces when planning your Valentine's Day decor. Your front porch, garden, or balcony can be transformed into a charming extension of your indoor decor. Start with your front door, adorn it with a heart-shaped wreath made of fresh flowers, eucalyptus, or even felt for a playful touch. Add a garland with red and pink ribbons for an extra pop of color. If you have a porch or patio, string lights are your best friend. Wrap them around railings, posts, or bushes to create a cozy, inviting glow. Outdoor seating can be made more comfortable and festive with the addition of throw pillows, blankets, and a small side table adorned with a vase of fresh flowers. Consider adding lanterns or LED candles along your walkway to guide guests to your door with a magical touch. If you're feeling crafty, create DIY yard signs with love quotes or symbols to sprinkle your outdoor space with personality. Even small additions like hanging paper hearts from tree branches or placing heart-shaped stones along your garden path can make a big impact. These simple yet thoughtful touches will make your outdoor area feel like a whimsical Valentine's Day escape. Looking for more Valentine's Day inspiration? Check out our playlist filled with romantic decor ideas, DIY crafts, and more to make this season unforgettable. As Valentine's Day approaches, let your home become a canvas for creativity and love. From the warmth of your living room to the tranquility of your bedroom and the charm of your outdoor spaces, every detail can contribute to an atmosphere that celebrates connection and togetherness. Decorating your home for Valentine's Day isn't just about creating something visually appealing, it's about designing a space that feels personal, welcoming, and full of heart. With every garland you hang, every candle you light, and every small touch you add, you're crafting an environment where love can truly thrive. Picture the joy of sharing these beautifully decorated spaces with loved ones, the comfort of sitting in a cozy living room surrounded by glowing lights, or the serenity of a bedroom transformed into a romantic retreat. These moments become even more meaningful when set against a backdrop of thoughtful decor. As you take the time to decorate, think about how each element reflects your unique style and the bonds you cherish most. Your home becomes more than just a place, it transforms into a celebration of love in all its forms. Whether it's for yourself, your partner, your family, or friends, your Valentine's Day decor will leave a lasting impression. This year, embrace the joy of creating a space that feels special, festive, and full of love. Every decoration tells a story, and your home is the perfect place to let it unfold. Let the beauty of Valentine's Day inspire you to design moments that will be remembered long after the day has passed. With every choice you make, you're not just decorating, you're creating a home that radiates warmth, care, and a sense of belonging. Let this Valentine's Day be a celebration of love and the unique atmosphere you've created to cherish it. And remember, it's often the small, personal touches that resonate the most. A handwritten note placed thoughtfully on a table, a single rose tucked into a napkin, or a framed photo of a cherished memory can add a layer of intimacy that goes beyond the surface. The beauty of Valentine's Day decor is that it allows you to express yourself in ways that feel genuine. Whether it's minimalist or grand, traditional or whimsical, your style shines through in every detail. Take this opportunity to not just decorate but to reflect on the love and gratitude that fills your life. Recreate these Valentine's Day looks at home. Check the description for links to the decor and accessories featured in today's video. Each element of your decor is a testament to the relationships that bring joy and meaning to your world. Let the spirit of Valentine's Day inspire you to open your heart and share these moments with those who matter most. At the end of the day, the love and thoughtfulness behind your decor are what truly make it special. So, take a moment to enjoy the fruits of your labor and bask in the beauty and warmth of the home you've created for Valentine's Day.